In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a scroll to stick header in Squarespace 7.1. This feature is quite useful, making sure your header stays fixed at the top of the screen as users scroll down your site. It's a great way to keep navigation accessible and your visitors engaged. Let's dive straight into the process, which is simple and can be done in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website and find the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and you will be taken to the login screen. Here you'll see an option to continue with Google. If you have your Squarespace account linked to your Google account, this is the easiest way to sign in. Just click on continue with Google and select the appropriate account if you have multiple. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see a dashboard with all the websites you manage through Squarespace. Take a moment to identify the website you want to work on today. Once you've found it, click on it to open the website editor where all the magic happens. Next, direct your attention to the upper part of the screen and locate the Edit button. Clicking this will bring up the editor interface, revealing various customization options available for your site. Now that you're in the editor, look for and click on Edit Site Header. This button allows you to customize the header section of your website, which is what we're focusing on right now. Now, under the site header options, you'll find a variety of settings related to the design of your header. Look for the option labeled Edit Design. Click on it and a menu will appear on the right side of your screen, showing you all the design settings you can tweak. One of these settings you'll come across is labeled Fixed Position. This is the key feature for creating a scroll to stick header. Go ahead and turn on this setting. What this does is lock your header at the top of the page so it stays visible even when visitors scroll down. This effect not only enhances user experience but adds a professional touch to your design. And that's it. You've successfully created a scroll to stick header in Squarespace 7.1. Before you wrap up, you might want to preview your site to ensure everything looks just right. Simply hit the preview button and scroll through your site to see the header in action. If everything looks good, save your changes and voila. Creating a scroll to stick header can significantly enhance the usability of your site. It ensures easy navigation, helping users find what they need with less effort. Thanks for watching and happy designing.